Hey guys, today we are in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We're standing in front of the Moonshine Mountain Coaster. This is a coaster I have never gone on. I've ridden several down here, but not this one. Well, today I'm going to. You guys are going to take a ride with me. Front row seat riding with me, no brakes. Bobby, you coming?
I'll set this one out.
Bobby's going to set this one out. All right, guys, let's go take a ride. So are you ready, Bobby?
I'm ready.
Let's rock and roll.
Let's rock and roll.
One thing that's nice about this coaster, it has its own parking lot, which is free. Parking around Gatlinburg is pretty hard to come by and very expensive. So if you just want to come in and ride this, not going to cost you anything to just pull up in front of it and get on. How you doing?
Hi guys, how you doing today?
Good, we just want one.
Just one?
Yep.
Alright, let me see here.
The price to ride is $17, so I handed her a $2 coupon. I'm going to pay $15 for this. But if you want to ride it again, it's $8 more. So as we got back to the room, I decided to come back over here that evening, ride it one more time, pay the $8, and film it. So that will be on right after the daytime ride if you want to see that. And I will speed up the footage going up the hills, but not going down the hills, so you guys can experience what I experienced. So let's take a ride. Scanned my barcode, ready to head on. I'm gonna put this ticket on.
Are you riding?
No.
What?
I am. I'm watching the GoPro.
Got a camera right here watching me, so I guess they film this while you're riding. And you can buy the video later. some merch in here. Some glasses, Moonshine Mountain Coaster on them. Great Smoky Mountains. Moonshine Mountain Coaster, the skulls on it. Some for the kids. Let's see what's on the back of this one. I got the Need for Speed. Shirt hat combo, $30. There's some different hats. There's the mountain coaster hats right there. Now if you want the video, it is $13, or you can get a combo with the picture and the video. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed your ride on the Moonshine Mountain Coaster. That was $17 to get on, $2 off if you use the coupon. Had a great time. It started off kind of slow, then it picked up speed. A lot of good mountain coasters down this way. What did you think about the ride, Bobby?
I can't wait till the video comes out so I can watch it.
Maybe one of these days, guys, we will get here on this.
So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah, so until we meet again, J&B have left the building.